got toe pain, then you want to wrench your fingers. But a lot of times it's the big toe, right? The big toe hurts. We have microsystems in our body, which means your hand is connected to your foot. So whatever toe hurts in your foot, that's what you wrench on or pull on your finger. So let's say big toe, your big toe hurts, right? So your big toe, you're going to get your thumb and you're going to just pull on it like this, okay? Because you want to stimulate all the nerves that are in your thumb, which will stimulate blood circulation to your big toe. So you're going to do this, okay? Do it for about 1 minute, right? You're going to feel your thumb get really warm. Now, if the pain is in the joint of your toe, you want to find the joint of your thumb, right? Joint of your thumb. And you want to push around, and you want to find a tender spot. And that's where you really dig in, because that's the point that will really stimulate blood circulation to your big toe, right? Now, if your second toe hurts, then you do your second finger, index finger, right? Same thing, okay? You want to pull it, right? For about a minute, right? Same thing. Now, if it hurts in the tendons, then you want to find the tendon. See the tendon? You want to find the tendons and you want to dig in. So you can use either hand, it doesn't matter. But you want to do this every single day, at least 3 times for 1 minute on that specific finger that corresponds to the toe. Do this for every day.